Alright, David Harry here. So, are you thinking about selling your PS5 or giving it away to somebody else? If so, you are going to need to factory reset your PS5, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that the PS5 is connected to a monitor and the monitor is switched on. And then the next thing that we need to do is to switch on the PS5. But what we have to do is hold in the power button until we hear 2 beeps. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to hold in the power button. We can hear 1 beep. And then there's the second beep. And then we are going to get a message on our connected TV or monitor which says connect the controller using the USB cable, then press the PS button. Okay, so I've got my controller here. Now I've got a USB-C to USB-C cable on my controller, although you can use USB-C to USB-A. In any event, just connect your controller via a USB cable to either of the 2 ports on the front of the PS5. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm connecting my controller to the USB-C port there. Then I'm going to press the PS button on the controller, at which point we then get a menu. Now what we need to do is to scroll down here to option 7, which says reset PS5. Now depending upon the firmware or the software that you've got on your PlayStation, these options may change slightly over time. So if so, it may not be option 7, but whichever option says reset PS5, that's what you want to choose. So what I'm going to do now is hit the X button on the controller after selecting reset PS5. And then it's going to say if you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted from your PS5. Are you sure you wish to continue? Well, obviously, yes, I do, because I want to reset it. However, if you've got any important data on your PS5, just back that off before you do this. Anyway, so I'm going to tap on yes. Now it's going to say resetting to factory defaults, and it's going to go through that percentage there until it gets up to 100%. Let me just speed through this. Okay, so it's hit 100% and now it's just going to reset. And as you can see, it's now come back up there with the PS icon. So after resetting itself and then eventually showing the PS logo, it will then come to this screen here, which is the first screen that you will see on any PS5 when you buy a brand new one. So this is now where a new user can log in and create their own account and make this PS5 theirs. If this video has been useful to you, please do give it a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel will be absolutely awesome. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.